Hello friends, today I am now going to discuss the law of conservation of momentum. So let's start. Let us consider this is a ball of mass m1 and there is a ball of mass m2. Okay, I am considering two cases, before and after. So when they were at rest, at very first m is at rest, okay, at the very first position m this m1 mass is at rest, but it is keep moving. This m2 mass is keep moving with a velocity v2. Okay, this is at rest and this is keep moving with a velocity v2. And what is the direction? In this direction, left side. After that, case 2 is what? Case 2 is after case. After that, when they collide, here it is the mass m1, here it is the mass m2. It is at rest initially, v1 equals 0, and it has velocity v2 along this direction, and it collides with this mass. So after that, this m1 mass moves with a velocity v1 prime, and let's say it is v1 prime, the v1 prime in this direction, and m2 mass moves with a velocity either in this direction, I will consider both two cases, or in this direction, v2 prime. So how now I will discuss the momentum conservation. So now let's consider before case. So before case, what is momentum conservation? Before case, what was the velocity of m1? It was at rest. It was at rest means it has velocity 0, v1 initial velocity. Initial velocity, it is 0, and m2 has velocity, initial velocity, what is that? v2. So what you know the definition of momentum. Momentum means, in very simple language, mass into velocity. So before, initially, m1, what was the momentum of first particle? m1 into 0, first particle. First ball momentum is 0. And what was the second ball momentum? Second ball momentum was m2 to v2. So what is the total momentum before collision? So total momentum before collision was 0 plus m2 v2. Okay, now what will be the case of after collision? After collision, what happened? I am now going to show you. After collision, this m1 mass gains a velocity that is v1 prime, and m2 mass will also get a velocity. This depends on the condition. Case 1. If I am considering one case today only, if v1, v2, this velocity is at this direction, that is opposite to the v1 prime. v1 prime is at left side. If v2 prime is opposite to the direction, then what will be the momentum? I will discuss that. So case 1. In the first, after collision, first particle velocity will be, first ball velocity will be m1 v1, and second mass velocity m1 v1 prime, and second mass velocity will be m2, but here it is opposite to the v1 prime, but here I will take only the magnitude, not the direction, m2 into v2 prime. So according to momentum conservation, what can I write? I can write momentum before collision equals momentum after collision. Okay, so momentum before collision was what? 0 plus m2 v2, 0 plus m2 v2, plus momentum after collision is m1 v1 prime plus m2 v2 prime. So m2 v2 equals m1 v1 prime plus m2 v2 prime. So this is the case. I will discuss more case on momentum conservation, but before that, here as we have taken the direction is opposite to the v2 prime, direction is opposite to the v2, so we can take also v2 prime equals minus v2, we can put it also. So we'll discuss more case on momentum conservation. For the time being, thank you.